Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your gateway to luxury living in Punta Cana. Discover our stunning Punta Cana condos for sale nestled in the vibrant Larimar City and Resort complex. Situated amidst the pristine white sand beaches of Bavaro, these condos offer 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and essential amenities for modern living. Enjoy the convenience of hospitals and schools within the secure complex, along with a designated parking space for each unit. Experience resort-style living with amenities like artificial beaches, restaurants, swimming pools, and a 16-hole golf course. Larimar City and Resort offers a plethora of features. Airbnb-friendly accommodations, international university, smart city features 24-hour security. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of luxury living in Larimar City and Resort, where every day feels like a vacation. Contact us now to secure your dream condo in Punta Cana.